Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and today on this video I wanted to talk about the tragedy of life, right? Just not long ago we got the news that one of my sister's husband passed away, and this happened just today. Just got the news, and this might not be the right time to make this video and be sharing with you, but just in the moment, just feeling really emotional at this stage. I trying to reflect back also in my life, right? And going back to my sister's story, right? They didn't get married long ago, and they also have a child, and the husband was really young. Something happened at his work. He fell down and then took him to the hospital, and now he's gone. So that's part of life, right? Something good happens, then if you look in the longer picture, a longer term vision, that thing that happens now is not at the moment. I know it's not a good time for the family. Everyone is just mourning now, but if you look, there's always good in bad, right? This is a bad time, but something good will come out of this. Right, this might not be the right thing to say, but looking back at my life, right, I have had many tragedies happen in my life, right? I have lost business, I have lost so many things in my life, but if I look back at it, that was the best thing that happened, right? And you might tell the same thing, you might have the same story, right? You might have had so many tragedies happen in your life, but if you look now, you might say that was the good thing that happened. At that time, it was really sad, but now you have overcome that. Now you can say that that was the best thing that happened to me. And looking back, when I was doing eBay, Amazon, Etsy dropshipping, right? At that time, when I lost my eBay stores, when I lost my Amazon stores, I was really devastated, right? At that time, it felt like someone just threw a ton of brick on my head, right? And it took me a while just to put myself back on track again, right? And then after that, I started looking for what other ways I can start my home-based business. And after many failures, many business that I started didn't go according to what I wanted, right? And after doing so much research, finally, with God's grace, I found this home-based business which ticked all the boxes, and now I'm also helping people to achieve financial freedom. And I wouldn't be in this situation if I didn't lose that business before, right? So you might be in the same situation, right? Looking for some different opportunities. You might even have tried different opportunities. And I understand you have been in this situation, but you need to, at some point, take that leap of faith, right? And you'll realize the amount of support that you're going to be getting out of this. The community, at this stage, I'm like really low stage because they're preparing for the funeral, right? But because I have got so much community support, people are just behind me, pushing me, say, you'll get through this. This is what everyone needs. Everyone needs to be part of this community. So if you're not in the community, I highly recommend you to be in the community. How you can be in the community is I'll drop a link in the description, in the comment section. All you have to do is go in the link, put in your details, and on the next page you'll see what you're going to get out of this, and you'll be part of this amazing community. So thank you again for watching, and also reach out to me on Facebook if you are not friends with me. I'd like to connect with you, and I'd like to help you to start this home-based business. Thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and may God bless you all. Bye-bye.